This is Mina Barsoom with CDOCS, and welcome to the tip of the day. Today I want to show you a nice tip that you can use when you're designing splints in your office. Typically in our practice, we're doing all of our splints in office. We're designing them with the inLab software and we're printing them with our SprintRay Pro. Now, what can sometimes happen is over time, as you develop a busier practice or busier splint manufacturing process, you will run into, potential confusion, not knowing whose splint is whose, and there's definitely a neat way to organize it. So one of the tools you have in the inLab splint software is the ability to add text. So you can certainly type in anything you want. Typically we put in the patient's name and we'll emboss it on the lingual surface of the splint. You can have it as a recessed print, or you can have it something that protrudes from the surface. So a couple of different options there. So again, just a simple tip in the inLab software to help you maintain organization of your splints in your practice. Hopefully this tip was helpful. Look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care.